This is a story. A story that you might not be ready to hear. You see, in the end, well, really, that was only just the beginning. And it all started with a dream. You know, it was a good dream. There have been so many people I've known who've suffered from MS, that's multiple sclerosis, and then there's just family members and just being hospitalized or being bedridden. And with my time in the hospital when something happened with me, I sat there and I thought, it's gotta be better. And so I started researching. And what made it really easy is back, not so long ago, when the VR industry took off, that I started researching. And then other developments occurred, and I started seeing the ability to combine all these instruments of science together so that if someone is bedridden and they need to have a good, healthy experience, we can get them into the world of VR to experience it like never before. They'll have freedom of movement. They'll be able to explore new canvases, new ideas and stories and so many other things. And it's all now becoming possible because of all the technology is here. Almost. But that's okay. I figured today I'm going to start my journey. And I'm going to apply what I've learned so that if there's somebody who could benefit from what I'm going to do,